So if we want to use panels for our blog entry page, we would need to create a new variant that has a similar selection rule, but sets it to display only for blog entry types. So let's do that. I'm going to click Add Variant near the top here, and I'm going to call this Blog Entry Node Type Page. The variant type will be panel, just like it was before. And this time we're going to set the selection rules as part of this wizard because we know we want to. I'm going to click Create Variant, and here we are on the section rules. I'm going to click this selection rule option box here and scroll down to Node Type again and click Add. And we'll set this to display on blog entry node types. So I'm checking blog entry and clicking Save, and we'll click Continue. So we're not necessarily going to keep this panel variant ultimately for this site. This is really an example to be able to demonstrate certain aspects of panels. So when it comes to choosing a layout, we're not going to be as specific this time. I'm going to select a 2-column layout and use the 2 equal-sided columns because we'll have enough room in order to fit both our sidebar information and our main content information in it. And I'll click Continue. All of these settings we can leave at their default right now. I'm going to scroll down. We can leave these at their defaults as well, and I'll click Continue. Okay, so right now our content is empty. I'm going to click Create Variant, which will load it up in the sidebar here. And let's click Save in order to save this. At this point, if we exit out of the overlay and take a look at a blog entry page, I'm going to click on Content and How Macaroni is Made. You'd see a completely empty page. However, we can hover over it and edit the panel. So to populate the page, we need to add our node. So on the left side here, I'm going to add our fully rendered node. I'm going to click the cogwheel and add content, and then node content. And for the build mode, I'm going to select full content and finish. Now if we save this, I'm going to click Update and Save. You'll see our content on the left-hand side.